Do you want to add highlight on Instagram and you don't know the process? Then make sure to watch this video till the end. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will be showing you guys how to add highlight on Instagram. Make sure you are connected to internet and you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now let's jump into the process. Open your Instagram. At the bottom, you can see different options. Go to your profile option. Now at the top you can see 3 horizontal lines, tap on that. Now go to the option archive. Here you can see the posts that you have uploaded in your story. Now you can choose any of them. At the bottom you can see highlight option, tap on that. Now give name to your highlight and then tap on add. Now you can go and check your profile. Here you can see that I have easily added highlight in my Instagram. In this way, you can easily add highlight in Instagram. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys wanna see in upcoming videos. Thank you.